Tesla is now holding $2 billion in Bitcoin. What?
Yeah, you would think that they would have sold it.
They said they did, didn't they? Or
Not
no?
all of it, apparently.
$2 billion is not nothing. Tesla gave an update on its Bitcoin holding in a new SEC filing, confirming that it now holds $1.99 billion in the cryptocurrency. Early in 2021, Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Shortly after, the automaker started accepting the cryptocurrency as payment on new vehicles. However, a few days later, Tesla took a step back with crypto by removing the Bitcoin payment option. The company noted concerns over the energy needs of the Bitcoin network. It got environmental, to which many people responded that were in the crypto community, and they were not so happy with Elon at the time. There was talks of electric vehicles and coal and all kinds of things. It's a bit interesting because, like, recently they announced that they were accepting Doge for merch. And obviously Elon is such a Doge guy. But yet they're hanging on to that Bitcoin. $2 billion worth. Now, you have to assume, Will, that there's some sort of tax benefit to doing this. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, it's not really that regulated.
But also,
come tax season.
Yeah, I don't know. You get crafty. The accounting departments get crafty.
Sure.
And they're like, hey, Elon, we got an idea. You get $2 billion in Bitcoin. We move a few.
We got you covered, pal.
We move this decimal, carry the 2, carry the 1.
It's like, yeah, I like that. Yeah, very much.
To the power of 6. And there you go. No tax. Let me read that part there. During the year ended December 31st, 2021, we purchased and received $1.5 billion of Bitcoin. During the year ended December 31st, 2021, we recorded $101 million of impairment losses on such digital assets. Whoa. We also realized gains of $128 million in connection with selling a portion of our holdings. Such gains are presented net of impairment losses in restructuring and other in the consolidated statement of operations as of December 31st. The carrying value of our digital assets held was $1.26 billion, which reflects cumulative impairments of $101 million. The fair market value of such digital assets held was $1.99 billion. Like, come on, Will. Who would write such a thing? You see, this is why you and I are not accountants.
Yeah. It's very muddy.
Well, we're talking about impairment losses here.
Yeah.
And unrealized gains, and even a guy like you is already thinking about these things. Remember the other day by the door over there, you came over to me, you're like, hey, what do you think about unrealized gains?
Impairment losses. What are your thoughts?
You remember that? And I was like, Will, man, come on, dude. Get your head out of the crypto, man.
Yeah.
You were buried deep in that stuff. And you're like, but how do they know where I put the crypto?
With the shrugging of the shoulders?
Yeah. They're like, what if I just put the crypto in the cookie jar? Nobody got to see the crypto.
Yeah.
What if I go from wallet to wallet? Well, everybody's in this game right now, man.
That's true, yeah.
Everybody's trying to figure this one out.
But it's a giant headache, I would imagine.
Tesla did it, if they did it, if they're holding it, they got good reason to do so. And it's probably not as simple as they just like Bitcoin. You know, but anyway,